So this is our resort at night. I'm in the middle of the pool. It's pretty amazing. There's the swim up bar. Of course, nothing's open. The pizzeria is right behind there. Over here is the entertainment shack. Really cool. Up there, second one. Let's see. Can I see? Second one from the left is our room. So right there is our room. There's our room. And lights, sorry. Go, lights. And then there's the bridge. Right there. I'm in the absolute middle of the pool. There's a dolphin on the other side of that. And this is the big palapa. That's where Royal Solaris is. Members only breakfast and sometimes members only lunch. Usually don't do dinners in there, but that's open every day. Usually a buffet. They had one buffet in there since we've been here. And way over there, that door is the Solaris Cafe, and there's another buffet in there. Right behind here, right there is the snack bar, and they have all kinds of good food there. They serve hamburgers, french fries, all kinds of stuff. The pizza place is really cool because they've got probably 15 different types of pizza, and they'll make one to order whatever you want. There is a ceviche bar here behind me where the diving pool is, but it's not open right now. They hope to open it soon. Let's see, behind all those lights over here is one of the restaurants called Ponchos. And then where we did the gala dinner earlier tonight, that is Marco Polo. There's also another restaurant down over there, and that's called Zai. And that is a Asian restaurant, which is really good food. And they also do a Brazilian steakhouse type of dinner there, usually on one night a week. But that Zai is not open right now. So we've only got Marco Polo and Ponchos to make reservations. Reservations are included in our membership because we're owners here. We get guaranteed reservations. Everybody else has to make reservations, and it's kind of a first come first serve after the members. Let's see. I think that's it. We're here. There is a kids club on the other side with a water slide and a Noah's Ark boat and a bunch of animals. Really cool. There's an arcade with a pinball, Pac-Man. There's a pool table. There's a ping pong table in there. There's also a ping pong table over here. You probably can't see it now, but there's a ping pong table over here too, next to the entertainer center. They play water volleyball on the other side of the swim up bar. This is a swim up bar. It's really cool. You can get anything. You can get alcohol drinks. You can get non-alcohol drinks. You can get whatever you want. They'll make whatever you want, literally. Especially if you're a member or an owner like us. Yeah, and all of these beautiful rooms, and they are going to redecorate this whole entire place, all of the rooms. They've already started. They showed us one of the rooms, what they're going to look like, and it's a beautiful room. They really are going to update this place, and I'll tell you what, they've updated since we've been here. They had a big hurricane in 2014. We were here in 2009 for Hurricane Jimena on our honeymoon, and it lasted probably 2 days, I think. We saw these palm trees bend like crazy. The water was coming across. We were in the room over there with that light on, right there. We were there. That goes all the way to the front and then wraps around the front. It has a jacuzzi in it. That's the room that we stayed in when we were here for our honeymoon. We also stayed in one of the other rooms over here, which is now presidential suite. It's kind of presidential suite before, but it's much more intricate. They've got a living room and a dining room, and I think 3 bedrooms, a couple bathrooms, a full kitchen, a kitchenette, and it's just too big for the 2 of us. So when we bring people down, we can always upgrade to the presidential. It's not a problem. But this room was the prettiest. And then up here, above, right along there, those rooms right there have very, very long balconies. And I believe that they're going to be putting jacuzzis in there, kind of like Cancun is doing. Those balconies are huge. Our room, our contracted room, is over here on one of those balconies. We have one of the large balconies. We usually don't stay there. We usually get ocean view, or ocean front, I should say. So we're usually in the front. But they've made all of those presidential suites now, so we can't get one unless we use all more weeks. But staying here is really, really cool. Really, really nice. As you can see, we have the pool to ourselves. I'm not sure what time it is, but the pool closes at 10. It is absolutely gorgeous weather right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We can hear the waves. We're going to walk on the beach after this. And just have a good time. Went horseback riding today. We had a really good day. The gala dinner was tonight. It was a little different than it normally is. It's usually a huge reception with mariachi bands and all kinds of stuff, but I think they're saving that for tomorrow night. They're doing the Mexican fiesta party, and that's decorated all over where the fountain is, underneath those big lights right there. So all along there are all tables set up now, and it'll be decorated to the nines tomorrow night. And we're going to have a fabulous fiesta. That's one of my favorite nights too. The gala is usually on the beach, way out here in the front. They also have a patio now for Rosa Marinos that's covered. And they do parties and weddings and stuff up there. They do breakfast in there for members. And it's really cool. We love this place. We've been owners since 2005 for 15 years. And we wouldn't have it any other way. In fact, we just upgraded our membership today for another 30 years. So this will be our kids' inheritance. Our grandkids can come here. It's going to be really cool. So just wanted to give you guys a tour at night from the middle of the pool. As you can see, panoramic view. My husband is somewhere in there. Yep, can't see him, but he's over there. So there you go. Thanks for watching.